In the heart of Jamaica, amidst the lush mountains and vibrant rhythms, lies an ancient city called Topia. Long ago, legends whispered of a mystical guardian, Heat, a magnificent gold dragon said to soar above the clouds, its scales shimmering like sunlight on the Caribbean Sea. One evening, as the sun dipped behind the blue mountains, a young scholar named Kofi wandered near the ruins of an old temple. He'd heard tales of Heat's power to protect the city from unseen threats, paranormal forces that lurked in the shadows of history. But tonight, something was different. Strange energies pulsed through the air, flickering like ghostly flames. Suddenly, from the clouds descended Heat, his golden form glowing with an otherworldly light. His eyes, glowing amber, fixed on Kofi. As the dragon landed, a strange mist enveloped the area, paranormal spirits trying to breach the veil between worlds. Heat roared, a sound that shook the very stones of Topia, unleashing a burst of fiery energy that pushed back the spirits. Kofi watched in awe as Heat's scales absorbed the ghostly energies, transforming them into shimmering sparks that danced around him. The dragon's voice, deep and rumbling, echoed, "The ancient energies are awakening. I am here to guard this sacred place from the unseen forces threatening to tear our history apart." With a mighty sweep of his tail, Heat summoned a blazing shield, sealing the spirits away. As dawn approached, Heat ascended once more into the skies, leaving behind a faint glow, like a promise that as long as Topia's legends endured, the golden dragon would be watching, a paranormal protector from the depths of Jamaican myth. And so, in the heart of the island, the legend of Heat, the guardian gold dragon, lives on, a beacon of ancient power and mysterious magic, forever guarding the secrets of Topia.